Hey guys, it's Sunny here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for your constant support. And if it is your first time on this channel, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you're here and I hope to see you again. Please do leave me a comment on the comment section below because I love reading those. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. I promise you will not regret that you have subscribed to this channel. On this channel I normally share really easy tutorials or really easy steps of creating a beautiful new garment using an item that you have in your closet. So why buy a pattern? I'm joking guys, you can still buy a pattern, but on this channel for now you will be seeing a lot of easy DIYs. So for today's tutorial you'll need really simple things: your fabric, your scissors, your pins, your tape measure, your ruler, your marker, and a pair of pants that fits you well that you will use as your pattern. So go ahead and fold your fabric into 4, making sure that you have 4 panels of the fabric. At this point you will take your pair of pants that you'll use as your pattern. Just make sure that you leave enough seam allowance on the sides. As you can see, it was a long pants for me, but I folded it into the length that I want for my short. I don't know if you're able to see that, but there I am at measuring the length that I want my short to be. And so you just want to make sure that it's the desired length that you want. I initially wanted my short to be a paperback short, but it did not turn out to be that way. So the paperback part of the pants was small, but anyways I went ahead and still went on with the pattern. As you can see there, I cut the fabric into 4, making sure that it has 4 panels, and then curving the sides of the pants so that they fit perfectly. Do make sure that you don't curve too much or eat a lot of your fabric on the side. If you have reached this far into the video, thank you so much for staying, watching the video. I hope you found it easy, and I hope you do give this tutorial or a project a try. And if you do, please do tag me on the Instagram, and I will leave the Instagram tag in the comment section below. I really loved how these pants actually fit. They're nice and loose. They're really nice for going out, doing some errands, as well as the beach. They're really comfy, and I've gotten so many compliments with these, and they're so fun. The print is just beautiful. I really hope to see you on my next video. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to leave this video a comment on the comment section below. Thank you.